Hi there, students. To hover. To hover means to remain stationary in the air. So there was a helicopter hovering over the presidential palace. A hummingbird hovers while it drinks nectar from a flower. A hovercraft is supported by a cushion of air. It hovers above the ground and does not come into contact with it. A UFO hovering in the sky. So, we can also use to hover, meaning to remain in a place or near a place, waiting for something to happen, waiting to react. Maybe lingering in a place. So the boss has been hovering over my shoulder all day. He's been behind me or near me all day, watching what I'm doing. It's really off-putting. There were security men hovering near the door. They were waiting near the door in case something happened. So to hover, to wait about, to wait near at hand, to be on call, to linger in a place. A parent hovering over a toddler, an infant, who is learning to walk. Okay, we can also use hover with another meaning as well, meaning to be uncertain, to be undecided over two or more choices, to waver between two or between various choices. Normally hover between. He hovered between voting Republican and voting for the Democrats. I am hovering between going to two different universities. So it's like I'm flying just above them, stationary, just before making my final decision. Especially, as I said, hovering between. I'm hovering whether to travel to Latin America or to Asia. So I'm not quite certain. I'm not quite decided. In computing, you can use your mouse or your cursor to hover over an icon or a hyperlink. So the cursor, the mouse, is on top of it, but you haven't actually clicked it. Okay, so you're hovering over it. Maybe you're hovering between clicking and not clicking. You're thinking about it. So, to hover, to hang in the air, to hover like an insect. To linger, to wait. The waiters were hovering in case I needed anything more. To hover between, to be undecided, to waver between two or more options. I was hovering between choice A and choice B. And then with your mouse you can hover over an icon without actually clicking it. Okay, let's see. To hover, a regular verb. He hovered near the door. He has hovered between these two choices for several days now. I'd only give this word a 5 in formality, so it's flexible. It's one of these words you can use anywhere. Informal conversation, formal document. So that makes it nice and easy. And hover is related to the Middle English word hove, which means to linger, to spend extra time. So, hover, hang in the air, wait around, linger in an area, be undecided and with your mouse about to click the next thing you're going to see. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hover.